Today, we'll be talking about the best drones on the market. We've prepared options for every budget. But before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you find our content helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create even more content. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. An incredible drone that combines lightweight design and performance. Weighing just 249 grams, it doesn't require any registration, making it easy to slip into your bag and fly anywhere. Its 4K HDR camera captures sharp and impressive videos regardless of lighting conditions. The vertical video feature is especially perfect for TikTok and Instagram stories. Plus, the omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology detects obstacles around it, preventing collisions and ensuring a safe flight experience. The drone's battery provides up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and with the 3 included batteries, you get over 1.5 hours of total flight time. Additionally, you can enjoy uninterrupted high-quality video transmission up to 20 km/h, allowing you to see every detail during your flight. Smart flight modes like Active Shots 360-degree make capturing professional-looking videos a breeze. With its carrying case, fast-charging hub, and other accessories, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers a perfect blend of portability and functionality. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, if you're looking for a high-quality drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate choice. I have some exciting news for you. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll hold a special giveaway exclusively for our subscribers. Don't miss your chance. Subscribe now and become a part of this amazing community. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. A truly fantastic option for those seeking a premium drone experience. With a 43-minute flight time and a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, it's perfect for long-distance flights. The ability to fly without worrying about battery life is a huge convenience. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing system kicks in to handle obstacles during flight. Its 8 sensors scan the surroundings to help you avoid obstacles, enhancing flight safety. The DJI RC controller is also highly practical. It's lightweight, offers a comfortable grip, and comes with a built-in screen, so you don't need to hassle with your phone. Additionally, the Vision Assist feature provides 4-way visual assistance, taking flight safety to the next level. The Mavic 3 Pro's Quick Shots and Master Shots features make content creation incredibly simple. For instance, the drone automatically captures footage, edits it, adds music, and creates a cinematic video for you. This is a major plus, especially for those without professional video editing skills. The Waypoint Flight feature allows you to set a route for the drone to fly automatically and then repeat the same route for comparative shots. If you're looking for a powerful, safe drone that simplifies the content creation process, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro will exceed your expectations. Its features and ease of use make producing professional quality content much more enjoyable. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Number 3. Ruko F11Pro 2. If you're as obsessed with image quality as I am, the Ruko F11Pro 2 will absolutely impress you. Since I started using this drone, the difference in the quality of my footage has been immediately noticeable. Its 6K camera with a premium Sony lens allows you to capture details and vibrant colors that other drones just can't deliver. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes, city lights, or special moments, every shot taken with the F11 Pro 2 looks like a masterpiece. One of my favorite features is the night mode. It's incredible for capturing sharp and stunning footage in low-light conditions, like around a campfire or under city lights. Most drones struggle with nighttime shots, but the F11 Pro 2 handles them brilliantly. As for flight time, it offers 35 minutes on a single battery and a total of 70 minutes with 2 batteries. This is more than enough for extended shoots. Whether you're working on creative projects or just flying for fun, it's ideal, especially for someone like me who frequently stops to change angles during filming. This extended time makes a huge difference. The gimbal system ensures your footage remains incredibly stable. Even in windy conditions, you can achieve professional-grade shots without any shaking issues. Its smart GPS features are a game-changer. With modes like Follow Me, Orbit Flight, and Waypoint Planning, shooting is not only fun but also incredibly easy. The first time I tried these features, I felt like a professional film director. One small but crucial tip: make sure to remove the gimbal cover before powering on the drone. While it might seem like a minor detail, leaving it on could cause the gimbal to jam and potentially get damaged. Number 4. Holy Stone HS900. First off, it weighs only 249 grams. What does that mean? No Federal Aviation Administration registration required. That means you can grab your drone and start flying without dealing with any paperwork. But the most impressive part is that this lightweight design doesn't compromise on performance. The camera is absolutely stunning. It boasts 4K resolution and is equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor, allowing you to capture 48-megapixel photos. From sweeping beach landscapes to action-packed moments in nature, every detail is captured with crystal-clear precision. The level of detail and vibrant colors in my shots are comparable to those taken with a professional camera. Another favorite feature of mine is the 3-axis gimbal system. This technology ensures your footage remains smooth and stable, even in windy conditions. You'll truly appreciate how much of a difference this makes when shooting outdoors. It's also incredibly easy to fly. With its GPS-assisted automatic return system, you don't have to worry about losing your drone. Even if the signal weakens during flight, the drone automatically returns to its starting point, which is a huge advantage, especially for beginners. With a range of up to 20,000 feet, it allows you to explore vast areas effortlessly. Plus, the fast charging feature fully charges the battery in under an hour. Finding a drone that charges so quickly while offering such extended flight time is no easy task. Another fantastic feature Holystone offers is quick shots. With just a few simple commands, you can create cinematic quality videos ready for social media sharing. No video editing experience required. Number 5. DJI Neo. This small but impressive drone has truly amazed me with both its portability and the features it offers. If you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use drone, this model is perfect for you. First, let's talk about its weight. It's only 135 grams. Lighter than most smartphones. This means you can toss the Neo into your backpack or even your jacket pocket and take it wherever you go. Plus, it doesn't require FAA registration, which is a huge advantage. You can start flying without dealing with any bureaucracy. So, what can this little device do? The Neo stands out with its 4K ultra-stabilized video feature. Whether you want to capture your kids running around at a picnic or immortalize your walk on the beach, this drone delivers sharp, smooth footage. Considering that most other drones in this price range only offer 1080p, Neo's 4K support really makes a difference. Another great feature is its ease of use. It can take off from the palm of your hand, and you can control its flight with AI-assisted features. Thanks to the follow mode, it automatically tracks people or pets. Also, with 8 different quick shots modes, creating cinematic videos has never been easier. Plus, no video editing skills are required. When it comes to safety, you can rest easy. The Neo is equipped with full propeller protection, so there's no need to worry when flying indoors or in tight spaces. For example, even when maneuvering between trees, the device remains very safe. Additionally, with 3 batteries, it offers a total of 54 minutes of flight time. For such a compact device, that's an impressive performance. Today, we reviewed the best drones for you. I hope we were able to help you find the model you're looking for. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. Also, which model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, for more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Take care and happy flying.